Yeah, hello Malcolm, this is vlog number 3, I think. Yeah. But today I've still been blocked, as I will show you now. You see, still says that I've been blocked on Xbox, but what should I say? Put it pissed off. A message. But been blocked still. So basically, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Fuck me off big time. I'm basically going to first to get something to stayed up all night. And shit like that. I'll just get something to eat and fucking stuff. But what I'm gonna do is melt a bit of cheese. That sounds weird. On a plate. Get a bit of cheese. I'll take you over with me. This is my lovely kitchen. I'm already cooking. So I've got leftover in my laptop is like broken here. So broken, I looked in here. The screen is dangling off the hinges. But yeah. So this is my lovely kitchen. What will we doing here today? Just cooking. Oh, not cooking, just let's see. Just continue doing this, and then I'll show you a little tour around my house. Show you the fish ponds and some more that later on today. But basically, I've still been blocked. Shit, so can't make any YouTube videos on GTA yet until I'm unblocked. Let's do that just in case I don't want it to. I want a bit from there. So basically, what I'm just doing is getting some bits of cheese. Cutting them up. So, just to throw in into the microwave just to heat up, to cook. And shit, so yeah. So much cheese. You can see that. I'll put that on the floor. A minute and let's say 2 minutes. While I do that, I'm going to take a couple of slice of cheese. So, cheese. Yeah. But personally, I'll skip it. It's only going to be a minute video. As you see, let's bring it down a bit because you've got the juice. Well, that's dripping from the top, so let's do that, please. Let's see. I'm gonna do is basically my sandwich. My bread. This bloke's mainly just making me to do. I'm making my breakfast, but I'm basically just going to be doing a vlog basically. Day-to-day life. Shit. So around the house and stuff. And what goes on. Right, I'm going to butter this bread. I like quite a lot of butter. And the cheese gone so runny, it's unbelievable. It may not look appetizing, but this actually is pretty appetizing. See? Don't like that appetizing, but when it comes to it, it's pretty tasty. So basically, so as I was saying, I'm still banned and stuff like that. What's pissed me off a bit more, I'm still banned. But yeah, still banned. On Xbox. Not much I can do. But yeah, but I'm going to show you my palette today. You can see him there. He's an African grey. He's in the trade room, but he doesn't make it fit. That's what I'm looking at us. You gonna come over? You gonna come over, buddy? There you go, he's coming over for us. Say hello. Hello! That's my African grey. Let's see, then I hold the laptop. And then after if it's closing the laptop. But yeah, he's African grey, he's very nice. And me in the mirror. Let's see in the background. Big mirror, I love my mirror. But yeah. 10. I'm still banned. I don't know how many days. If it's going to be a full day. But today ban. Or later on about like 12 o'clock. And that's when they'll ban me. So pretty pissed off. Yeah. Me and my mate Whitney, we fell out, so pissed off about that as well, because yeah, I was gonna get, she's coming down for a week and shit like that, but she may not now. Hopefully she does, but I will keep you informed. But yeah, I think this has been my longest vlog so far. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe. Peace.